Attention everyone! Is everyone excited to see the new movie? Nobody's seen it yet. Healing Humanity. I know we all want to be healed.
Today is going to be a surreal day. Over 3 years, 460 hours worth of footage, 9 doctors and experts, 60 interviews across the world, an amazing team of volunteers, the Healing Humanity crew, so many of them just volunteering years of their time to help make this all come together. And today we're showing it to the general public. World premiere, world famous Montello Theater, and boy has it been stressful to get to this point. We had some problems with the movie file. It's called a DCP, it's gigantic. I had to reload it over the middle of the night. Didn't get any sleep. Here we are the morning of. I just got it working. It took me a couple hours this morning, but she's dialed in. Air conditioning's nice and cool and crisp. It's gonna be a warm one. Look at, we got the marquee. We got the banner. We got Adam's amazing poster.
And it's a real hope.
It's happening.
Hope. It's not a false hope.
We got the trailer going in the lobby.
Any other possession.
We got the posters up. We got all the Healing Humanity stuff. We got pork rinds. We got beef sticks. Shout out Beast Mode Soap. Quick interruption. This is certified grass-fed tallow, never vegan, made in the USA. I believe people need to know what they're putting on their body. And the soap that I had at home is full of chemicals, detergents. What you put on your skin ends up in your bloodstream. And I only want to put good things in my body and on my body. And this, there couldn't be much better. This is 100% beef tallow. Learn more at beastmodesoap.com.
About being live.
We go in here. That's the soundtrack to Healing Humanity, and I getting a little choked up earlier because I heard Jeff's music.
Just to tell everybody that I love them.
You gotta one-up me every time. Looking good.
Thank you.
Ready to do this?
I'm ready.
I can't believe there was 4 or 5 people out here. I pulled up and I came in, I'm like, is someone calling me? And I'm like, I have to hurry because I gotta turn the stuff on and get it going.
So, as a PhD candidate, you must publish, and you must publish the science as we pay for it.
Well, it's fine to have sugar. Like,
Daughters, right?
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Get like a bag of water.
Attention everyone! Is everyone excited to see the new movie? Nobody's seen it yet. Healing Humanity. I know we all want to be healed.
woo! Hello, hello.
Hi.
Welcome.
You guys edit that, make me look fit.
That's her job. She's got you. You look great. We don't even need to do anything. No filters or nothing.
I'm trying.
Hi.
Hello.
Remember me?
You look familiar.
Yes. Come on, you met me before
Where was it?
at the high cholesterol in Chicago.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah,
Wait, I know your name. I know your name. Ruth.
Yes.
See that?
You
Carnivore
sat right
brain.
next to me.
I sat next to Ruth.
You and your wife.
Hi, Carrie.
Hi.
So exciting to finally meet you.
Oh, nice to meet you. Thanks for coming.
Amanda, Tammy. So nice.
Oh! Oh! Oh, it took a second. I gotta give you a hug. Oh, I'm so happy you guys made it.
Yes.
What's your name?
My name's Jim. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Let's see what we got going on. Okay.
She said, it doesn't matter. And that changed my life because it was the dumbest thing I had ever heard. How can you have a gastrointestinal illness and it doesn't matter what you eat? So I started researching it and I listened to your podcast with Dave Johnson. And it changed my life even more.
A year ago, I went to my cardiologist. What do you give me? A what? Statin. So I take it wherever I go. It's in my backpack. But I don't take it. I mean, you're not doing this all by yourself?
No. This is our documentary, so I wanted to give some recognition and some love to the entire team, including Dr. Kiltz, Adam, Lynn, Barb, Ashley, Rhett, come on up, Rhett. These guys have literally spent years, mostly just volunteering their time for years to make this film happen. I've said this from the beginning, this is our documentary. It's definitely not my documentary. It's also all of your documentary. Every penny we get from these ticket sales goes to help this documentary reach millions of people and do a series. But I was hoping we could give some love to this amazing group of individuals here. And I know some people are still, oh, thank you. I know some people are still flowing in here. We want to welcome you to the world famous Montello movie theater. Thousands of stories were told in this building before a single movie ever played. Today we're telling the story of healing humanity. And I want to talk to Dr. Kiltz for a second because I have a question for you.
Uh-oh. I'm in trouble.
He always asks the hard questions. My question for you, and we got Dave here too. Give it up for Dave.
Yeah, Dave.
You guys will see Dave and Lynn are in the film. Dr. Kiltz, you're in the film. Dr. Kiltz, you're a doctor.
Maybe.
You're an author. You're an artist. You are a surgeon. You do surgery on people. Is that true?
Yes.
This is like an interrogation.
Okay, yes, sir.
You fly jets.
Yes,
You're a pilot.
yes.
And you run one of the largest fertility clinics in the United States. Thousands of young couples were able to start a family because of your work. When are you going to do something with your life? You're almost 71.
I'm working on it.
Have you thought about being an astronaut?
Okay, going on a rocket ship into outer space is the dumbest thing in the world. I can understand a jet, maybe jumping out of an airplane. I haven't done it yet. But this is the most important thing to me as a doctor, by the way, because I think we're touching more people and healing more people with this simple message of eat like a lion, not like a lamb. And we've been basically trained as domesticated sheep. And I know as a doctor, I hurt a lot of people throughout my career.
You guys excited to watch this film?